What's up guys? Today we will be testing another projector, but it is special for me, because this is my first laser projector. I have tried many different LCD projectors before, but I didn't have a laser one. The new Formovie P1 uses ALPD light source and DLP technology. We will talk about the advantages of the laser light source in this video. But first, let's do an unboxing. You're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So I received the projector in this box, and there is a Formovie logo on one side and a sticker with some information about projector on the other. At first I thought there was another box inside the cardboard one, but it was just a paper cover. When you take it out, you will find a carrying case. You know, this is one of the most durable projector cases I've ever seen. It looks like an armored case. Inside, there is a projector itself, power adapter, USB-C charging cable, user manual and warranty card. I am surprised there is no remote control included. On the other hand, the projector doesn't have a smart operating system, so you have to connect a TV box, game console or a laptop anyway. If so, you really don't need a remote control. I didn't tell you this, but I think you have already noticed. The second feature of a Formovie P1 projector is a compact pocket size. Its dimensions are 150 by 83 by 25 mm. The weight is only 300 grams, so it is very compact and lightweight projector. You can take it with you everywhere. Formovie P1 has no built-in battery, but I think it is still portable because you can use a USB Type-C charging port to use a projector from a power bank. And that's very cool. And there is a cover on the front of the projector, and if you slide it, the projector will turn on. I like this solution because the lens is protected from dust. We can also see a speaker on the front. If we look at the back, there is a headphones jack, USB 2.0 port, HDMI port, and USB-C PD port. The focus adjustment wheel is on the left side. There is no keystone correction wheel because the projector uses vertical auto-keystone correction. As already said, Formovie P1 doesn't have a remote control, so you can only use the buttons on the projector. There are up and down, left and right, return and key buttons at the top. You know, I usually mount projectors on a tripod, but Formovie P1 doesn't have a tripod hole at the bottom. You can only put it on a table. So compact size is one of the main features of the new Formovie projector. Together with a high-quality case, it is very comfortable and safe to carry the projector with you. Okay, now we can turn on the projector and look at the user interface. Formovie P1 has a simple multimedia system. You cannot install apps such as YouTube, Netflix, etc., but you can insert a USB flash drive and play a movie, photo, music and text. By the way, don't be frightened by the running line on the projection. You cannot really see it in a person. At the top of the screen are settings, Wi-Fi, HDMI and screen mirroring. In the settings, we can enable or disable eco mode, change picture mode, brightness, contrast, sharpness, saturation, color temperature, and aspect ratio. The sound settings include sound mode, treble, bass, balance, surround sound, and AVL. In the system, you can read about the device, such as name, serial number, software version, and network information. The time settings have OSD time, sleep timer, and auto standby. Finally, you can change the language, USB upgrade, reset, and change the projection method in the setup menu. Now I want to show you how to connect a smartphone to a projector. First, you need to go to Wi-Fi and connect to your home Wi-Fi network. And then open the mirror menu and select the operating system of your smartphone. In my case, it is an iOS device. Now all you have to do is open screen mirroring on your smartphone and select a projector. You know, I'm not sure if a Formovie P1 uses a dual-band Wi-Fi, but the latency is quite low. One of the main advantages of laser projectors is the low noise level. Formovie P1 is the quietest projector I have ever tested. It is almost silent, but it does have a fan inside. The noise level near projector is only 35 decibels. You know, the disadvantage of the compact size is that the manufacturer cannot install a quality speaker in the projector. Unfortunately, the built-in speaker of Formovie P1 is quite weak. It is only 0.8 watt, so the volume level is low. However, you can connect an external speaker or headphones to the projector via 3.5mm audio jack. Finally, let's talk about the projection quality of Formovie P1. First, I am surprised by the throw ratio and picture size. I placed a projector at about 2.5 meters of the wall, and I have a screen size of about 90 inches. The manufacturer says the screen size can be from 40 to 100 inches, depending on the distance between the projector and the wall. It is not ultra-short throw projector, but the throw ratio is very good. The native resolution of Formovie P1 is QHD 960 by 540 pixels. Overall, the image is clear, but you can see the pixels at close range. However, the text reads well. The contrast ratio of this projector is 600 to 1. I think color reproduction and brightness are the main advantages of a laser projector. By the way, DLP technology provides very rich colors. When it comes to brightness, Formovie P1 has 800 lumens. The manufacturer promises 25,000 hours lifetime of the light source. I always knew that laser projectors were brighter than LCDs, but now I see it with my own eyes. Laser projectors are more energy efficient and they produce much less heat than LCD projectors, so they have a very high brightness.
Cannot let you bring your war here. Outcasts. That's all they see.
I see you. We were united as a society. You will make lots of babies. As many babies as possible for my son. My life as queen was difficult.
I'm Brimsley. I'm always with you, Your Highness.
Brimsley, tell me about the king. Is he ugly, perhaps deformed?
He's the king.
Yes. And?
Certainly not the worst either. If you start up here with comments, he's king to deliver a sudsy bacon card. And then, if you're still alive, you American? New York. King's alive. That is a cruel twist of fate. You were gonna help me find my brother, Luigi. There's a human. Do you know him? Do you think I know every human being with a mustache wearing an identical outfit with the letter of his first name on it? Because I don't.
To the biggest fight of our lives.
Mexico. Nice feet inside. Draymond Green with the assist and Zach Levine with the easy basket.
The bench for the United States is so important. They look fresher, they're moving around.
800 lumens is enough to use a projector in a room with light on.
Very useful to you. This is a laptop screen extender or a triple portable monitor. It actually has two monitors, but the third one is your laptop screen. So meet the Formovie S17.
Catch and shoot situation here. Could there to stand with him defensively, but in the end, draws the foul.
So I was very excited about Formovie P1 because it is my first laser projector. However, given its affordable price, it has some disadvantages. First, I didn't like that there is no remote control included, so it is not very convenient to navigate through the settings menu. In addition, the built-in speaker has poor quality. You should think about an external speaker before buying this projector. I know QHD native resolution doesn't sound very impressive, but it is enough for reading even small text. For watching movies, it is not a problem at all. Moreover, thanks to the laser light source as well as DLP technology, the picture is very bright and colorful. I don't think you will find this kind of image among LCD projectors. So for the price of under $300, Formovie P1 is a very decent portable laser projector. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!